Hey, it's Cham Tang here. I remember when I started Authentic Education, all the way back in 2009, I was doing a lot of running around. I was spending a lot of time and money on what I believe now are really lower priority and ineffective marketing methods, like flyers, LinkedIn ads, trade shows, advertising, networking. The list really goes on. All of which don't really amount to both the quality and quantity of leads that you can get right now today just on Facebook ads alone. So I really wish someone had told me this, but there was no one around to say that. So that's why I'm looking forward to sharing my inside knowledge of Facebook ads with you. So if your product or service genuinely helps people, then I would love to share everything I've learned in the last 8 years and $400,000 in ad spend of trial and error to ensure that Facebook ads create you really an endless stream of clients. As cliched as that sounds, it really is true. So I just want to go quickly through the top 5 frequently asked questions about the event. But before I do that, just make sure that you schedule in your calendar right now. Why? Because until you schedule something, it's not really real, and then you won't get the real benefits of Facebook ads as well, and that'd be a shame. So let's have a look at the first question. Is it really free, and why? Yes, it is really free, and that's because, like Google, we use what's known as the freemium way of marketing. So we deliver a free, high-quality service without holding anything back, and that's because free events allow us to reach more people, and we just believe that karma has a way of rewarding us for our good work anyways. The next question we've got here is, can I just outsource my marketing? So I like to say that when you outsource your marketing, what you're actually doing is outsourcing your income. So as a business owner, from one business owner to another, I've got to say your job is to own the recipe and outsource the grunt work. So I'm going to show you my recipe for creating Facebook ads that attract clients like crazy. And once you know that recipe, you can decide to outsource the grunt work, the repetitive technical stuff, etc. Number 3, I'm not ready to start a business now, but I'm just thinking about it. Should I still come? Yes, you should 100% still come, and that's because marketing is actually half of your business. So your job as a business owner is step 1, to create a great product or service, and then step 2, to market that product or service. So the more you know about marketing, the more you'll be able to create a successful business. So I would definitely still come, and the sooner the better as well. Next one, do I need to be tech savvy? No, you don't need to be tech savvy. I mean, Facebook makes it really, really user-friendly for people to spend money. Like, that's their thing, right? They want you to create Facebook ads and spend money and get the results from them. So you don't have to be tech savvy at all. Will it be all theory or stuff that I've heard before? No, it won't. So this isn't going to be a course where you could just as easily have Googled something or read a book about it. A lot of that stuff I find is the how-to part, as in, here's how Facebook ads work. Here are the steps to create like an image ad. Here are the steps to create a carousel ad. This is not that at all. This is, out of all of the thousands of possible options you've got with Facebook ads, which are the only ones that create the highest return on investment, the precise sequence of steps that you need to take in order to get a result as fast as possible. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you as well. So that's it. If you've got any other questions, please email info@authenticeducation.com.au. If you've got detailed questions you'd like me to answer for you, please come up and say hi in the night, and I'll be happy to stay back for as long as it takes to answer those questions as well. So until we meet again, please remember that you don't have to get it right, you just have to get it started. And I'll see you at Facebook Ads Made Easy. Thanks for watching.